You must have heard the stories of people going from rags to riches. But do you know what else they did? Apart from working hard, they knew how to save money. One of the wealthiest people on the earth, Mr. Warren Buffett, is known to use coupons to buy food. There are several similar stories about other super rich people following simple money-saving tips. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to save money and achieve your financial goals. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. There is no harm in including some practical money-saving tips in your daily life. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Whatever savings you make today can help you achieve your future financial goals. Number 9. Understanding your financial goals. Understanding your financial goals is the key to reaching them. You must have a clear idea of what you want to achieve, and you need to know how much money you need to save each month in order to reach your goal. There are a few tips that will help you reach your financial goals. Have a firm goal. Don't set yourself up for failure by trying to achieve too many things at once. Instead, try to focus on one or two things that are most important to you and make sure you have a good understanding of what it will take to achieve them. Track your progress. Keeping track of your progress will help you stay motivated and on track. There are a number of different ways to track your progress, including writing down what you have saved each month, tracking your expenses online, or creating a budget. Seek out advice. If you are not sure how to save money or how to invest your money, seek out advice from a financial advisor or another credible source. Number 8. Creating a budget. Creating a budget is a key part of financial planning. It helps you track your spending and make informed decisions about how to save money and reach your financial goals. There are a few things to keep in mind when creating a budget. Start with an overview of your income and expenses. This will help you identify where your money is going and what you can cut back on to save more. Make sure to include all of your expenses, not just those related to your finances. Include things like groceries, gas, and utility bills. Try to keep your spending within your budget category. This will help you stay organized and aware of where your money is going. Here are some tips on how to create a budget. Start by creating a budget overview sheet. This will include information about your total income and expenses for the past month or quarter. Use dollar amounts rather than percentages to track your spending. This will make it easier to see where your money is going and whether you are overspending on certain items. Create categories based on what kind of expense it is: egg, groceries, transportation, utilities. This will help you stay organized and aware of where your money is going. Number 7. Cutting unnecessary expenses. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Cutting unnecessary expenses. Unnecessary expenses can add up quickly, and if you want to reach your financial goals, it's important to start cutting down on them. Here are some tips for reducing unnecessary spending. Evaluate your spending habits. Do you really need that new pair of shoes? Or that new television? If not, maybe it's time to let them go. Set realistic financial goals. If you're trying to save money for a vacation, don't aim to save $1,000 every month. Instead, set a goal of saving $100 each month towards your trip. Cut down on eating out. Restaurant meals can be expensive, and if you're not careful, they can become a regular expense. Instead of eating out every night, try cooking at home more often and using leftovers for lunch or dinner. Number 6. Increasing your income. There are a few ways to increase your income. The most obvious way is to find a new job. However, this may be difficult to do if you don't have the right skills or if the job is not in your area of expertise. Another way to increase your income is to start a business. This can be a more difficult task, but can also be more rewarding. Finally, you can also earn income by freelancing or through online services. Number 5. Investing wisely. Investing wisely is essential for reaching your financial goals. There are a few basic principles to keep in mind when investing. When you're trying to save money, make sure that you're not unnecessarily spending money on things that don't matter, like eating out or buying unnecessary items. When you're trying to save money, it's important to avoid high-risk investments. These types of investments can often lead to losses and can be difficult to recover from. One of the best ways to save money is to stick to a budget. This will help you stay organized and aware of your spending. A financial planner can help you navigate the complicated world of investing. They can help you find the right investments and can help you stay safe while investing. These are just a few of the principles that you need to keep in mind when saving money. Number 4. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is important for many reasons. It can help you deal with unexpected expenses, such as a car repair, a lawsuit, or a costly illness. The best way to build an emergency fund is to create a budget and then save money every month. Begin by setting aside at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This includes your regular bills, such as rent, groceries, and utilities, as well as your unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or a medical bill. Once you have saved up a few months' worth of expenses, you can begin to build your emergency fund. You can do this by transferring your saved money into a savings account or a CD. Number 3. Paying down debt. Paying down debt is a great way to save money and reach your financial goals. When you have debt, you're paying interest on the money that you borrowed. This means that you're actually spending more money than you're earning, which can really add up over time. One way to save money while paying down your debt is to make payments that are larger than the interest that you're paying. This means that you're essentially repaying the principal, the original amount that you borrowed, plus the interest. This can save you a lot of money in the long run. Another way to save money while paying down your debt is to use a debt consolidation loan. A debt consolidation loan is a loan that combines different types of loans into one loan. This makes it easier for you to repay the debt and save on interest rates. Number 2. Shopping for deals and discounts. When it comes to saving money, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Know your spending limits. Don't overspend on things that you can't afford to lose, like your rent or your car payment. By tracking your spending, you can better identify where you can make cuts. Look for deals. Deal hunting is a great way to save money on items you need or want. When you find a good deal, don't be afraid to take it. Compare prices. When shopping for items, always compare prices before making a purchase. You may be surprised at how much money you can save by searching for the best deals online and in stores. Number 1. Staying motivated and on track. There are a few things you can do to stay motivated and on track when it comes to your financial goals. The first thing is to set realistic expectations for yourself. Don't expect to save $1,000 per month by the end of the year if your goal is to save $10,000. Instead, set smaller, more attainable goals that will help you stay on track. Another way to stay motivated is to keep a positive outlook. When you start seeing progress made, it will help you stay focused. Be patient with yourself and don't get discouraged if things don't go according to plan. Stick to your plan, and you will eventually reach your financial goals. So this is our today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.